In today's video, we are on a honeymoon. Come hang out with us as we bask in Maui's beauty, eat a lot of tasty food, have a lot of tropical drinks. I get my foot bit by a baby chip, and we end off the first half of our honeymoon on a cruise boat having more tasty drinks as we watch the sunset. 2 o'clock in the morning. I knocked out at 7 o'clock yesterday. I was so exhausted. Can you see my eye right here? It's still kind of red, but yesterday was like bloodshot because I was like extremely tired. Right now we're waiting for our bus to pick us up because, like I said, we're going on an adventure. We're gonna go see the sunrise and then just have an amazing day. So you ready for this?
Ready for it.
Let's go. Ew. Let's go, bro.
Let's go, bro.
Here it comes. The bus.
Years ago, they banned that. No bike rides. Just imagine this to yourself and think, would you ride this hill or not?
think you're gonna have to drive home, dude?
Why?
Because this Mai Tai's creeping up on me. I'm still gonna drink it.
After you.
I'm gonna drink all my drinks for the rest of the day.
Yeah,
Can I get a margarita? I'm shy, sir. I don't know how to vlog.
Sir.
I don't know how to vlog.
Oh my god, look at you.
Where?
They did a. Oh my god, they did a sculpture of you. Look, before you miss it.
Are you talking about that blue well right there?
Yeah, look, it's on the side like you sleep like that too. Oh my god, just like you.
We just got a workout in right now. I was like in there, like up in the gym, just working on my fitness. If you ever see two orca whales just, you know, lifting weights, imagine that. That's us. That was us in the gym. We were just like feeling it. We were like, I was on the treadmill huffing and puffing. It started smelling like bacon in there, but it's okay because we're ready for breakfast anyways. In this vlog, I'm not gonna do a lot of like this, what we're doing right now, just because I want to be in the moment. I'm gonna do like a montage of everything. Maybe check in once in a while. I want to, like, we're on our honeymoon, babe.
Yeah.
We're on our honey.
Oh my god, can you tell that's gained weight?
Yeah, that's why we had to go to the gym this morning.
Yeah, it was good.
But yeah, let's go get something to eat.
Let's go.
Oh, what the hell was that? Were you like,
Don't do that. Like,
were you signing off?
Slap.
What drink are you gonna get?
One for my baby.
Oh.
Not for you.
Oh. Also on this vlog, guys, like, all we're doing is eating
And drinking.
and that's okay because we're on vacation. So this is the watermelon mint fresca, and that's the
One for my baby.
after. Dude, we're getting a little tan.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay. Embracing my roots. Not my roots up here, but my roots. It's pretty good. Mine's really fresh. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
We could take this to the beach. So like, you know, like when it's too sunny, we'll just be like, finally, man. I get my local moco. We actually have a moco right here.
Yeah.
And don't get me in a bad angle, dude, because you'll be getting me at like these funky ass things. Dude, was this MySpace?
You like to eat?
Is this MySpace? This is Ribbon. Bomb. What the hell is that one dot on every potato or what?
Yes. Why are you judging me right now? That's you.
Go.
This is you. Dude, that was bomb.
Are you gonna finish that?
Yeah.
Were you gonna eat that?
Yes.
Maybe we should get a to-go box for this. You're like a little red cherry tomato, dude.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna cover my eyes because I'm a little buzzed. Ah! You bitch! Why are you laughing? A fucking cock just bit my foot. I told him he thought it was my chicha or what? Dude! Look! I said you thought it was a churro? That was not funny. Is your ankle bleeding? I know, but like I'm just asking, is your ankle bleeding? Dude, a freaking baby cock just bit my fucking foot. Dude, this little bastard over here. Is that one taking a shit? Over here.
Oh, look at this one.
Let me try this in here. I'm gonna try this. Dude, can you learn how to freaking vlog, dude? This one's strong.
Yeah.
I just started the camera. We're starting it off like that. Today has been another relaxing day. We woke up early,
Workout in.
got another workout in, and then we head to the swap meet, which is pretty cool. They had a swap meet there. I wanted to find a Hawaiian shirt there, but I just couldn't find one that really kind of spoke to me, like really spoke to my nipples.
Oh, they were nice though. They were really, really nice. I think they were like Goodwill kind of shopping, but they were new at the same time.
And now we are heading to a dinner cruise, me and Ruben. Well, obviously me and Ruben. Who else would I be coming with? Oh, we got all spiffed up. I like my outfit right now. I was gonna wear some other glasses, but I decided, hey, this one matches better. I was like, look at it matches, dude. It's gonna be a nice, relaxing dinner. Have some Mai Tais. Okay, let me tell you guys. Last night, or actually yesterday, we drank pretty much all day. We just went to try drinks, try different food. The last place that we stopped at that was supposed to be a vibe. It was literally called Vibe. It was a vibe, but their drinks weren't vibes.
Yeah.
That was me jumping from excitement because I finally went to Hawaii. It's been a bucket list of mine since I was a wee little lad. I remember like, Mom, I want to do a luau with little coconut shells in Hawaii. And then she was like, son. That's all she said. But I still cannot believe that I went to Hawaii. Like, it's crazy. It's just unbelievable. And I finally did it, and I was there at this beautiful island with my beautiful husband. Now, if you guys think that was beautiful, you guys thought the beaches were pretty, you guys thought the sunset tour was beautiful, wait until you see what we do next. We were just in awe of how beautiful the island was. Like that was just a taste of what the island had to offer. We went where the locals live. Of course, you know, respectfully we went. I was just taken back. Like, I don't even think I spoke a word. I was just like, wow, this is unbelievable. real. Like it looks like he just walked into a picture. Exactly how I picture Hawaii to be, that's exactly how it was. So stay tuned for that. And it's gonna be kind of like the same thing. A lot of eating again, a lot of drinking, and a lot of beautiful scenery. So I'll see you guys in part 2. Until then, stay kind, stay humble, and yeah, I'm a luau out of here. You know, why do you have wheels if you're not gonna roll?